In this video, I'll guide you through how to target doctors with Facebook ads. If you're promoting a product or service that's specifically designed for medical professionals, it's important to make sure your ads reach the right audience. Facebook Ads Manager offers several audience targeting options that can help you build an audience related to the medical field. While Meta continues to automate more of its targeting with its AI-powered systems, you can still provide valuable audience signals to improve your campaign. I'll walk you through the process from planning your audience to creating a saved audience in Ads Manager. Before opening Ads Manager, it's worth thinking about who you actually want to reach. Rather than targeting all doctors, it's usually more effective to focus on a specific type of medical professional that best matches your offer. In addition to using job titles, you can consider interests related to medicine, physicians, surgery, hospitals, and other healthcare topics. Depending on your campaign, you may also want to include employers such as large hospital systems, fields of study like medicine, radiology, pediatrics, or surgery, and professional organizations that are relevant to your target audience. If your business only serves a certain region, geographic targeting is also an important part of narrowing your audience. Now, sign into Facebook Ads Manager and go to the main dashboard. From there, open the Audience section and choose the option to create a saved audience. This allows you to build an audience once and reuse it in future advertising campaigns. Start by giving your audience a descriptive name so it's easy to recognize later. Next, choose the location if your campaign is intended for a specific city, state, or region. After that, review the age range and gender settings. Depending on your offer, you may decide to leave these broad or narrow them further. You can also specify a language if it's relevant to the audience you're trying to reach. Continue down to the detailed targeting section. Here you can begin adding the audience signals you planned earlier. Search for job titles such as doctor, physician, surgeon, dermatologist, or cardiologist. You can also include medical interests, employers, fields of study, and other relevant audience characteristics that match your ideal customer. As you build your audience, you may notice that Meta's Advantage Plus Audience feature expands the estimated audience size. If that happens, you can switch to Advantage Plus Audience and then return to the original audience options. This refreshes the audience settings and lets you continue refining your targeting before saving. Once you've finished adding your targeting criteria, click Create Saved Audience. Your audience will now be available whenever you create a new campaign, making it easy to select your doctor-focused audience during the ad creation process. And that's all there is to targeting doctors with Facebook ads. By combining relevant job titles, interests, locations, and audience details, you'll build a more focused audience that's better aligned with the people you want your ads to reach. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.